Squigl is building a neural network that not only understands the profiles of its learners but also creates imagery based on the learner's culture, education and language that it associates with those keywords. Based on our research, we anticipate that we will need 7 million images at minimum to be created by this neural network that will be the basis for the first global unified audio-visual language. The Squigl neural network relies upon the collection of user profiles, user behavior, existing and acquired images, its collection of automatically and user-produced output, and publicly available data to continue to develop a global audio-visual language. Squigl will identify their levels of language elements to form the first comprehensive human language that transcends verbal and written languages. 1. Sounds and images that all humans agree mean something similar. The image of an eagle could mean power to all humans, but the image of an elephant may have a superstitious association to a Chinese person, while it may be associated with a deity to someone from India. Similarly, the words mother, are written and pronounced similarly, but they mean the same thing to English and Semitic language speakers. Squigl will identify those language elements and group them together. 2. Sounds and images that are not understood the same way but are adjacent will be grouped together. 3. Sounds and images that are unique to each language and culture will be grouped in subcategories.